Hello everyone, I'm Joanne and welcome back to another tutorial. Today, we'll be discussing a common issue that many Microsoft Excel users have been facing, which is being unable to add or create new cells. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to resolve this issue. First, press the Ctrl+A key or select the Worksheet highlight option by clicking the little arrow in the top left corner of the worksheet. Next, select the Home tab, followed by the Format option on the far right side. In the drop-down menu, select Format Cells at the bottom and then choose the Protection tab. If there's a checkmark next to Locked, uncheck it by selecting the square once and then click OK. Another potential issue that could cause this problem is merged cells. To unmerge cells, select them and then click on the Home tab. Next, click Merge and Center and then select Unmerge Cells. If the above steps don't resolve the issue, try going to the View tab and selecting Freeze Panes. If the panels are frozen and you can't modify them, select the area where you're having the issue and then click Unfreeze Panes. To unlock all rows and columns and scroll through the entire worksheet, select the option to do so. Finally, if you're still having trouble, go back to the Home tab and click the Fill Color Paint bucket. In the drop-down menu, select No Fill. Alternatively, click on the Clear option next to the eraser and select Clear All in the drop-down menu. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful in resolving your issue. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.